Hello, class. I just want to say good luck on your midterm exam for copyright law. Okay. So I just want to share this one. This is the 2023 bar examinations. And I just noticed that there are actually three questions about IP. So look at number 12. Kagandahan Corporation has been manufacturing medicated facial creams with the brand name Cutis since 2010. So at this time, I know you are already smiling because we've discussed this in class. This is the case of Chinchun Su, no? Look at that. Cutis, so Chinchun Su. Now, it says here, the facial creams are contained in pink. But the question here is about unfair competition. So we will discuss this when we go to infringement and unfair competition for trademarks. And actually, the case of unfair competition of this of the Chin Chun Su is actually different from what we discussed in copyright, what we discussed earlier. So we'll be discussing another case, another Chin Chun Su case. Now let's jump to question number 13 and 14. So this is question 13. It says here, Attorney Matalas prepared a deed of sale which contains all the elements necessary to perfect a contract, particularly a statement of the agreement to transfer in an absolute manner the parcel of land that was specifically described, as well as the price certain. Impressed by his own draft deed of sale, Attorney Matalas wants to use the deed that he prepared as a template and to secure a copyright registration for the same. Can Attorney Matalas secure a copyright registration for the template? So discuss your answer. See? So in this case, just look at the highlighted portions. It's a deed of sale. So these are legal forms. First, my first question to you, is it included in the enumeration of original works and derivative works? So that's one thing that you'll consider. Another thing is that this is a deed of sale or legal forms. And legal forms generally follow a format which is actually required by law, because you have the law requires that particular legal form to contain like specific information for it to be valid. Like, for example, for a deed of sale, it should contain an acknowledgement on the last part instead of a jurat, right? And another one, for legal forms or a deed of sale like this one, it only contains factual narrations. So factual narrations are actually not copyrightable. Copyright law protects original works of authorship that possess a minimum degree of creativity. So class, dalawa yan lagi. First, the work must be original. So original ba siya for this one? Sinabi lang naman niya yung facts, kung ano yung agreement ng parties, 'di ba? Sino yung parties, ano yung ibebentang property, what is the price. So Attorney Matalas simply stated facts or the agreement. So is there creativity in that aspect? Now, since facts also do not originate from the author and facts lack the requisite creativity, they do not qualify for copyright protection. So again, to summarize, legal forms follow a standard format as required by law. A deed of sale merely states facts about the parties' agreement, including the price. Facts are not copyrightable since they do not originate from the author. They also lack the creativity required for copyright protection. So that's my answer on this question. For number 14, you'll again smile, okay, just by reading the question. So the question says, Julio secured a copyright registration for a drawing of a light box. Julio used the drawing for his advertisements indicating the new internal electronic design features of the light box. 10 years after the registration of the copyright, Julian decided to manufacture and sell a light box with the same internal electric design features as the light box drawing created by Julio. However, the physical appearance of the light box manufactured by Julian is different. Julio objected to the manufacture by Julian of the light box on the ground that he, Julio, is the inventor of the light box design. Is the objection of Julio valid? And then discuss. So I know you are smiling because we have discussed this actually extensively in class. This is the case of Pearl and Dean. So in this case, the objection of Julio is not valid as he only holds a copyright registration of the drawing of the light box. Under the law, patent and copyright are distinct intellectual property, and the protection given under the copyright law does not extend to works that pertain to patents. The light box, being an engineering or marketing invention, is the proper subject of a patent. Hence, without a valid patent, Julio cannot claim that he is the inventor and cannot stop Julian from manufacturing the light boxes. So that's it, class. It's a short one, but I just wanted to share it to you. Just wanted to show you that, you see, there are 3 IP questions in the bar of 2023, and it can happen again. Okay, so that's it. And again, good luck on your exam.